In the remote deserts of Australia, the elusive night parrot awakens after dusk, its plumage blending with moonlit shadows. This story follows its rediscovery in the 2010s, when researchers used camera traps to prove the bird still sang. Unlike tropical showpieces, the night parrot survives on scarce seeds and guards quiet roosts in rugged canyons. Its comeback galvanized conservationists to map habitat, track weather, and protect hidden waterholes and long-term protections. The tale ends with dawn spilling over gypsum mesas, hinting at a hopeful future for this phantom parrot.